Hi, John here. In this video I will show you how I already made over $100,000 with Aliexpress Cashback Program with my dropshipping stores. And I will also show you how you can do it too. But first, thank you for watching my videos, and if you are watching them every day and you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button, and also if you have some interesting idea about future video, then definitely comment below. Okay, let's talk about why you need it when you are starting out. For me personally, I am not sourcing most products from AliExpress, okay? When I'm selling something actively, like using Facebook, I'm usually pushing everything like through my supplier, you know, like outside of AliExpress. So that's also like even cheaper, but I'm selling like a lot of products on site, right? So for example, if somebody will buy from me a product and it's that main one, then basically I usually upsell them, for example, with like 30%, you know, if they buy something in next 2 hours and they buy something else in my store on site. Usually I don't have these products in warehouse, so I need to source them, and I usually source them from some AliExpress sellers that have those warehouses in those countries where I sell, so it doesn't take 2 months, okay? And basically like this, I already made around like $100,000 with that AliExpress cashback, like you can see here. I think I started around like June like 2018. Funny is that I didn't know this thing exists, so somebody told me, you know, and basically I was already like 1 year doing this and I didn't know that cashback is a thing. So when I counted, you know, later, I lost that first year $50,000, you know, that I could get, you know, for free, basically back. So that kind of like make me angry, but well, whatever, at least like I'm basically using Admitad. That's that affiliate network that will basically connect you with that AliExpress cashback program. And basically you can see here that I put here like that 1st June 2018 till basically today, which is 2nd July 2020, and I already made here basically here, this is like confirmed, so that means they are already like confirmed orders that they already paid me, you know, and I have still like another like 4,000 on hold. That means that these are orders, they are still not closed in AliExpress and they are like on the way, or well, they are already delivered, but AliExpress still don't close them. So basically together, when you see it, I already made over like $100,000. And basically these money are like free. I mean, these are my money that are coming back, okay? But it's still like a lot better than nothing, because a lot of people don't know that this thing exists, and well, they just let this money like disappear, you know? I mean, like, isn't it crazy that if you know this exists, you can get like a lot of money back, you know, like, I mean, I just got back like $100,000. I mean, it doesn't lie on the floor. And when I'm thinking that I lost those $50,000 because I didn't know about this, I would like get crazy. So you need to get on this, you know. If you are sourcing only from AliExpress, you need to get that Admitad account and connect it. That commission that you get back, you know, depends on in what niche is your product. So for example, if you have like some random category, or your supplier doesn't like categorize that product, then you might get like some like flat rate of like some, I don't know, like 5%, you know, cashback. So let's say that I have here like I spent, you know, like 9.5, you know, and I got back like 0.38, okay? But if you will, for example, make your supplier to categorize the product, or they are already like selling some product that is categorized, like here, like garden supplies, you might get like a lot better commission, right? So you can see that before I was getting 0.38 and I spent $2.50 more, okay? And here I spent like $7 for this product and got exactly the same commission, okay? So even if you are like selling actively through AliExpress, you know, then you should meet your supplier and tell him that, okay, then you should check those categories based on what that program works, you know, because you will see that this category has like highest percentage, you know, and then you should tell him like, okay, so I put that product to this category and you will be just getting that higher percentage, okay? So you need to do that. And basically, you can see here like this is like status on hold, but if you will check like some other orders, you know, so basically here you can see that it's already approved, right? So I was here getting this was even like before they actually like played a little bit with those percentage, because before basically I paid like $15 and I got back like $1.22. Okay, so that was when that percentage was still like 8%. Now it's like 6.4, but it's still like better than nothing. Okay, so that's like actually like great, you know. So you should definitely like get on this. Okay, so there are like three things that you need basically to get in. First, you need to have like your store, you know, that is like running, you know. So you need to have like some orders that are coming so you can get that cashback, you know. And well, you need to be like at least getting some orders through the AliExpress. Okay, so if you are basically selling everything, like sending everything on site, right, like on some Excel sheets to your supplier, and then you are wiring him money for that for those products, then well, you probably will not be able to use it. But if you are using the AliExpress, even when you are like sending him that sheet and then you are doing some bigger payment through the AliExpress, and you basically use it like the payment method for your like supplier, then you can still do it. Okay, and well, basically you need like two things. First is that you need Admitad for publishers, like you see it here. Okay, and well, you need to create like that publisher account, and well, you will basically go through that through that registration, you know, give them all information about your like store, about well, like your company, you know, give them bank account. Then it will take a couple days, you know, they will approve you, and when you will get that account, you know, then you will need to get AliExpress worldwide. You will need to basically request access to this program when you have that Admitad account already like approved. And well, basically they will give you that access in a couple days, and then you can start like making payments in AliExpress, and you will be getting that cashback. And here you can actually even see those percentages. Okay, so you can see, for example, that if you don't have like some specific category, you're getting like 5.4% cashback, which is not much, you know. But if you will put it, for example, to those garden supplies, clothing, some like home things like for interior, or like you know, like basically like all these like lot bigger categories, then you will immediately get like that 7% almost, which is like highest right now. Before it was like around 8, they push it down a little bit, but well, it's still okay. But when you basically have that, you know, then it also depends like what program you are using for your fulfillment, right? So I think like most people use like Oberlo and Dropified. I'm using Dropified, I never use Oberlo, but I know that in these two you can get Admitad enabled. Okay, so I do it always like in Dropified. Basically what you need to do is first to get the Dropified. Okay, that's like first thing. Then you need to, well, you even have like tutorial here from Dropified that you need to register basically on the Admitad, and then you need to have the Dropified account, and when you have that Admitad registration, then you will message also Dropified support team and tell them to enable that feature. After they will enable it, you will see here that you have like one more line in your settings of Dropified, and they will see like Admitad affiliate program, and you will have here like space for deep link. Okay, and when you will get approved in the AliExpress program in Admitad, you will get that link and you will basically take it and put it here. Okay, and from that moment you will basically fulfill everything for a Dropified, then you will start getting that cashback, you know, and you will start seeing, you know, for example, like that today you made some orders, you know, like, and you have like this on hold, for example, like I have here like this on hold right now. You will be seeing also like in the dashboard in Admitad that you have graph. Okay, so you will see that okay, today you made like $437, $120, and you will see like all that. Okay, so that's like what you need to get in that AliExpress cashback program. Okay, let's talk about payouts, right? So that's probably like why you're even like watching this video. You want to get those money, you know, you don't want to just like see numbers in dashboard, you want to get them in your bank account. So well, payouts are like actually fine. It's not like instant. Okay, every time when you will like make that order in AliExpress, then even after it's like ordered, sometimes it takes like after it's like delivered, sometimes even takes AliExpress to confirm that order, you know. So basically those money that are here on hold will immediately move to that confirm, so you can withdraw them. Basically it will take even sometimes like 4 weeks after the product is delivered. Okay, but you can go to AliExpress and basically like manually confirm these orders by yourself. Okay, sucks is that when you have like thousands of orders, it will take you like a lot of time, but well, it's like the fastest way how to make these orders confirm. Okay, and then basically when it's like confirmed, then you can click on payout, and then you can just withdraw all this money. It's not like the fastest way, but okay, because you can usually like send like free those wires like every month, because it usually takes them like sometimes like 12 days, you know. Like here you can see that basically I made one wire in 20 like May, and it was basically like processed almost like at the beginning of June, you know, because I usually send wires immediately after like they are processed, okay? So it's not like the fastest way, but you can do like a couple of these payments, you know, in like a month, like 3 probably. And well, yeah, and problem is that you cannot do like multiple payments at the same time, okay? So you always need to make like a request for one that wire, and then you need to wait when it's like done, you know, and then you can put another wire, okay? So that's kind of like sucks, and that's why you can do like 3 of them every month, okay? But well, bigger problem is that since like January, Aliexpress like started to be a little bit weird, you know, and before, usually when you like have some orders confirmed, you know, they move from hold to confirm, okay? And you could immediately like send through that wire, you know, to a bank account. But since January, Aliexpress started to be a little bit weird, and they started like owe money, you know? So basically, like almost like since January, I always have like some money. They are like waiting because they are like delayed, because Aliexpress didn't pay for that commission. So basically that's like the funds will remain delayed on their advertiser pays the invoice. So basically it's Aliexpress, okay? So Aliexpress is not paying those like commissions like very fast right now. And that's not just me, that's like basically everybody who I know, even like my like very close friend, he also have like all this money in delay, okay? So that's why I even like have $10,000 right now like in hold, and another like 6,000 in delay. And you can see that it's even like they are paying like very slow, right? So before I was doing like a lot bigger transactions, but now I'm always like getting like, they usually like unlock like $600, you know, so I send it sometimes even 300, right? So basically you can see that in June I sent only like $1,500, okay, which is like fun, you know. It's like almost like nothing, you know. And before, when they were like still working properly, I was able basically to move like in 1 month like a lot more, you know, like here. You can see I moved around like $4,000 or $5,000 in September before they start having problems, you know. So right now like Aliexpress is like working great, you know, but I kind of hope that they will start, you know, and well, they will finally like start paying that they owe me, and to basically everybody. I think like everybody have like problem with Aliexpress cashback right now. So yeah, but overall like it's still like free money. They will pay it anyway, even it takes time, and well, it's great. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you and you will be able to get to that Aliexpress cashback program, you know, because it's really like free money, your money. They are giving it back to you, you know. So there's like no reason why you should like keep it to those Chinese, you know. Just take your money back, you know. Even if it's like 7% of what you pay them, just take those money back, okay? And definitely join Admiration. It's my free Facebook mastermind group. If you have more like advanced questions about Facebook or e-commerce, you know, then definitely join that group. Also, it's full of people who spend millions of dollars on Facebook every month, and you will also have direct connection to me. So definitely join that. And if you already got flagged, you know, or you might get flagged, you know, it's like flag fest there, then definitely download my free ebook, you know, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. It will help you out of that Facebook circle of hell if you already got in, because like once you will get in, it's very difficult to get out, okay? And that's why I wrote this ebook, you know, so I will help you to get out of the Facebook circle of hell. So definitely download it, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.